Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get the CapCut apps on your computer. So I think CapCut is one of the best apps, especially for editing the video. So this video I think is for those of you who don't know that there is a PC version of CapCut, and you have to know how you can easily install it. Okay, first you can select Start, and then select Microsoft Store, and after you open it you are just going to search CapCut on the search field. Just click CapCut and then appears the CapCut apps. You are just going to install it. Just click install button right here, but here I have installed it. So once it is successfully installed, you just open it, and then you are just going to log into your account and start for editing. Just click a new project and sorry, you can select a new project, and you are just going to import your videos, audios, or photos that you want to edit. So that's how you can get the CapCut on your computer. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.